Welcome to our channel. We are here to help you make money online by breaking down the best entrepreneurship books and giving you tips and examples on how to use what you learn. This video is all about the book The 4-Hour Work Week and how to grow your business online. We'll give you the most important information and show you exactly how to put it into action. So, sit back, relax and subscribe to our channel as we help you make money online in a unique and easy way. The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss is the blueprint for creating a lifestyle of freedom and abundance. Timothy Ferriss is an American entrepreneur, author, and podcaster. The book was first published in 2007 and has since sold over 2 million copies worldwide. This book is packed with practical and actionable advice, strategies, and techniques on how to start, grow, and monetize your online presence. In this book, you'll learn how to eliminate unnecessary tasks, automate your business, and leverage your time and resources to create more income and freedom. You'll discover the secrets of outsourcing, creating passive income streams, and creating a muse, a small business that generates passive income. But it's not just about the strategies, it's about the mindset. Timothy Ferriss shares his own personal experiences and teaches the importance of mindfulness and lifestyle design in achieving the 4-hour work week. Part 1: Disillusionment. Most people are stuck in a cycle of trading their time for money, and that there is a better way to live. Traditional work is no longer working for most people, and the traditional career path is no longer a viable option for achieving financial freedom and independence. The average person spends the majority of their life working in a job they don't like in order to make enough money to support themselves and their families. This is not a sustainable way to live, and most people will never be able to retire and enjoy their lives. People are often trapped in the rat race, working long hours and sacrificing their time and energy for a paycheck, with little to show for it in the end. The key to achieving financial freedom and independence is to break free from this cycle and create a new lifestyle that allows you to work less and live more. Ferriss also talks about how the concept of work has changed over time. In the past, work was something that you did to survive and provide for your family. However, in today's society, work has become a status symbol and is often used as a measure of success. This has led to a culture of overwork, where people are working longer hours and sacrificing their time and energy for a paycheck, with little to show for it in the end. Part 2: Elimination. In order to free up time and energy, we must eliminate unnecessary activities and tasks from our lives. Ferriss begins by introducing the concept of the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. Most people spend their time on low-value activities that do not contribute to their overall goals. By eliminating these activities, we can free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. So how to identify the most important things in life, and how to eliminate the rest? We can use a not-to-do list, which is a list of activities and tasks that should be avoided in order to free up time and energy. Or the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. By focusing on the most important 20% of our tasks, we can achieve the most significant results. Ferriss also talks about the importance of outsourcing in order to free up time and energy. Most people are overwhelmed by the number of things they have to do. By outsourcing some of these tasks, they can free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. He suggests outsourcing tasks such as administrative work, customer service, and even certain aspects of business operations to other people or businesses. Part 3: Automation. By automating certain aspects of our lives and businesses, we can reduce the amount of time we spend working. By automating certain tasks, we can free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. Ferriss starts by discussing the importance of creating passive income streams, which are income streams that require little to no active involvement from the owner, once set up. We must create a muse, a small business that generates passive income. A muse is a business that is easy to start, requires minimal time and effort to maintain, and generates enough income to cover our expenses. We can use technology, such as automation software, to automate repetitive tasks and streamline business processes. And we can create a virtual team, a team of remote workers who can help us with various tasks, such as customer service, marketing, and even certain aspects of business operations. By creating a virtual team, we can free up time and energy to focus on the most important aspects of our business. Part 4. Leverage. In this part, Timothy Ferriss focuses on the concept of leverage, the idea that by leveraging our time and resources, we can achieve more with less. By leveraging our time and resources, we can create more income and freedom, and ultimately achieve financial freedom and independence. We must create a lifestyle of mini retirements, taking shorter, more frequent breaks from work in order to recharge and renew. By taking mini retirements, we can free up time and energy to focus on the things that truly matter. We can leverage other people's time, money, and resources in order to achieve more with less. For example, by using other people's money, such as loans or investors, to start or grow a business. Or by using other people's time, such as outsourcing or creating a virtual team, to free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. We can also leverage technology in order to achieve more with less. For example, by using the internet and social media to reach a wider audience and to leverage the knowledge and expertise of others. Now, how to put the strategies outlined by Mr. Ferriss into practice in order to make money online. First, we will give you tips to learn for free how to develop an online business. Then we will give you concrete business examples with a step-by-step guide and associated tools. There are several ways to learn how to develop an online business for free. Online tutorials and blogs. There are many websites and blogs that offer tutorials. Look for reputable sources that provide step-by-step instructions and case studies. YouTube. Search on YouTube and you will find many videos that can help you learn the basics of creating an online business. Online communities. Join online communities, such as forums and Facebook groups, where people share their experiences and knowledge. Free resources and tools. Take advantage of free resources and tools that can help you create your online business. For example, you can use free video editing software to create and edit your online course content, or free blog platforms such as Blogger to create your blog. Free online course. Some websites such as Coursera and edX offer free online courses. Now, here are a few examples of ways to create an online business that generates income, along with the steps and tools you may use to create your own muse. Create an online course. Step 1. Choose a topic for your course. This should be something you're passionate about and have expertise in. Step 2. Create and host your course with Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Step 3. Create the video content for your course with a screen recording software like Camtasia, Loom, or ScreenFlow. Step 4. Create any necessary graphics or images for your course with Canva. Step 5. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Build an affiliate marketing blog. Step 1. Choose a niche for your website. This should be something you are interested in and have knowledge about. Step 2. Use a platform like WordPress or Wix to create your website. Step 3. Do keyword research and find profitable keywords to target on your website with SEMrush or Ahrefs. Step 4. Optimize your website for search engines with Yoast SEO or all-in-one SEO plugin. Step 5. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction and promote products on your website through affiliate links. Start an e-commerce business. Step 1. Choose a niche for your e-commerce business. This should be something you are interested in and have knowledge about. Step 2. Create your online store with a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Step 3. Find and import products to your store with Oberlo, Dropify, or Spocket. Step 4. Track your visitors and sales with Google Analytics or Facebook Analytics. Step 5. Create lead magnets and email marketing campaigns to grow your customer list with OptinMonster or Hello Bar. Develop a mobile app. You can hire a freelancer on Fiverr to perform this task. Step 1. Choose an idea for your mobile app. This should be something that solves a problem or fills a need. Step 2. Develop your app with PhoneGap or Xamarin. Step 3. Create the backend of your app with Firebase or Parse Platform. Step 4. Monetize your app through advertising with AdMob or AdSense. Step 5. Optimize your app for the app stores with App Store optimization. Leverage social media. Step 1. Choose a platform for your social media marketing. This should be a platform where your target audience is active. Step 2. Schedule your social media posts with Hootsuite or Sprout Social. Step 3. Create eye-catching graphics and images for your social media posts with Canva. Step 4. Find influencers in your niche with BuzzSumo or Clear and collaborate with them. Step 5. Track your social media traffic and sales with Google Analytics or Facebook Analytics. Keep in mind that these are just examples, and you may also find other tools and methods to implement these strategies. Also, it's important to test and adjust accordingly to your business. In addition, here are some tips to work smarter, not harder, and achieve more in less time. Prioritize your tasks. Identify which tasks are most important and tackle those first. Optimize your time by using tools like time blocking, Pomodoro technique, and the Eisenhower matrix. Automate repetitive tasks. Use tools and software to automate tasks that are repetitive and time-consuming. For example, you can use a tool like IFTTT to automatically save all emails with attachments to your Google Drive. Delegate tasks. If there are tasks that can be done by someone else, delegate them. Use a virtual assistant to handle your email or social media accounts, or hire a freelancer on Fiverr. Eliminate low-value tasks. Unsubscribe from newsletters or email lists that don't provide much value. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay focused and energized. For example, take a short walk or stretch your legs every hour. Eliminate distractions. Eliminate anything that distracts you while working. This can be turning off notifications on your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, or working in a quiet place. Learn to say no. It's important to learn to say no to tasks that don't align with your priorities or that you don't have the time for. Be selective about the projects you take on and focus on what's most important. Automate your business. Create a sales funnel that generates passive income by using marketing automation tools like email automation and webinar funnels. You can check our video regarding the book.com secrets by Russell Brunson if you want to know how to do it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more strategies for making money online. Thank you for watching the video.